Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix error 524 on Roblox in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Understand the error. Error 524 usually means the server is busy or private. It often happens when joining VIP servers or during high traffic. This is usually not a problem with your phone. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Open settings on your iPhone and make sure Wi-Fi and mobile data is turned on. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to refresh the connection. Step 3. Close and reopen Roblox. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause to open the app switcher. Then find Roblox and swipe it up to close. Next, reopen the Roblox from your home screen. Step 4. Restart your iPhone. Press and hold power and volume buttons. Then slide to power off. Wait for 10 seconds. Then turn your iPhone back on. Step 5. Try a different game or server. Open Roblox and choose a different game. Avoid VIP or private servers unless you are invited to by the owner. Public servers are more stable during busy times. Step 6. Final check. Rejoin a game and confirm it loads normally. Error 524 should now be gone. And that's how you can fix Roblox error 524 on an iPhone. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.